Hi there, Dori Soukup here, founder of InSPAration Management, with another question of the week. This week's question came to us from Bill from New York. And Bill is asking, it seems that every Black Friday we miss out on the rush. Do you have some suggestions on how we can compete with the big box stores? I know exactly what you're talking about, because all you have to do is watch the news and you're seeing people just tripping over each other to go to Walmart or Target or Best Buy or all these stores. So how can you compete? I have a great advice for you. You should really start your Black Friday on Black Wednesday, because that's really when you should launch everything. And if you do that and you tease them with that information actually way before the holidays that you're gonna have your Black Friday on Black Wednesday instead, that way you'll be able to capture everyone before they actually go to the big stores and spend all their money. Now, one other advice I want to give you is that you should have a great Black Friday promotion. If you've been to the Leap Ahead seminar, you've heard me tell you about it. I love the Black Wednesday event promotion that you can have, where they can buy a $100 gift card and receive 4 different $25 gift cards for free. So it's buy 100, get 100 for free, but the 100 for free is 4 different $25 gift cards. And you position the entire campaign as you helping them with their Christmas shopping. So they can take those 4 different $25 gift cards and they can give them away as gifts to other people. So how do you benefit from that? Well, you just got 4 brand new clients from them, and you know you don't have anything for $2,500. They have to use them towards a treatment. You can put that as a qualifier on it. So you know they're gonna come and spend at least $100, $150 with you. So it's a great promotion to do, but don't wait until Black Friday to do it. Do it on Black Wednesday so you can benefit greatly from it. Hope this answered your question. If you too have a question, make sure you send it to info@inspirationmanagement.com. Until next time, stay inspired.